Once we are holding short of the runway, the below the line checks will be executed as a memory flow. If we are cleared for takeoff, we first turn on the lower row of hot items, which include both windshield heat switches and the pitot-static switch. This will cause the appropriate pitot-static and stall warning CAS messages to extinguish and the white windshield heat annunciations to cycle on, then off. The CAS message window should be clear before starting the takeoff. After the hot items, the appropriate lights are turned on, which is typically all of them except the wing inspection light. Now, in the case where we are cleared to line up and wait, we do not turn on the hot items in case we are made to hold position on the runway for more than 2 minutes. Remembering that 2 minutes is the maximum time the pitot heat switch is allowed to be on for ground operations. So when lining up to wait, we first turn on the lights, and only when we are cleared for takeoff do we proceed to turn on the hot items. Again, wait for the CAS messages to clear before advancing the throttles for takeoff.